Hello everyone, I am Ajay Ram Rana and you are watching SimpliCode. So in today's session, we will learn various MySQL storage engines. Also will understand the feature of each storage engines in MySQL so that you can use them effectively to maximize the performance of your database. So let's start. Storage engines is a software component. It is responsible for managing data, like how data is stored, how data is retrieved, manipulating when we create the new tables, right? Manipulating the data when we create the new tables, right? The storage engine also determines the underlying structures and feature of the tables, right? So MySQL also support multiple storage engines, and each storage engine has its own set of features, right? So to find the available storage engine on your MySQL server, we can use the query uh, like this one: select engine comma support from information underscore schema dot engines ordered by engines, right? So we can practice this query uh, on my terminal. So let's start. First we have to start the MySQL server by typing mysql minus u root minus p. So we have to give the password, and after typing the password, it is started. The MySQL server has been started, right? So now we can check all the databases. That is error. So databases basis, yes. So by typing this statement, so databases, you can see all the databases list that is stored in your MySQL server, right? So here we want to check this the storage engines that is available on my MySQL servers, right? So engines, right? So you can check, it is displayed the engines list, right? So in engine column you can see all the storage engines are available on this MySQL server, right? And in the support column you can see there are three type of data: yes, no, and default, right? So what is the meaning of yes and no? Let's see. No means this storage engine, the corresponding storage engine is not supported by this MySQL version, right? And yes means it is supported. Default means uh, uh, this corresponding storage engine will be used as a default storage engine, right? So you can check here, MySQL version 5.5 or later will use this InnoDB storage engine as a default engine, right? So to check which version we are using, so you have to exit from here, and by typing MySQL version, you can check the version of MySQL server that is installed inside your machine, right? Like into my machine, this version is stored, right? MySQL version 8.0.27, and it is actually the Linux base uh, MySQL version, right? So you can check by typing like this, right? So next, yes, to list all available storage engine, so engines. This thing we can, yes, we have used this one to specify a storage engine. Yes, if you want to specify the engine, right, so you have to specify the name of the storage engine, right? First you have to check what are the storage engine are available on your MySQL server, and then if it is supported by your version, so you can specify your engine's name by writing this query create table, because this query is given when you create the new table, right, within the database. So create table and then table name, inside the bracket column list, right, and then engine equal to the engine name, right? So by typing this query you can use the specific storage engine, right? Specific storage engine you can use by typing this query, right? Now here we can check the features of all the available storage engine. This feature column is actually these are the features, right, and the corresponding storage engines are here in the rows, right, like my ism, memory, csv, archive, black hole, merge, federated, innodb, right? So like suppose we take the first one, transactional feature, and this feature is not supported by this my ism. It is not supported by memory also, right? And like this way here you can check it is supported by the innodb, and this search engine is actually the default not search engine, storage engine. innodb is the default storage engine for this version that is installed in my machine, right? So like this way you can check all the features and corresponding storage engines, right? So that's all for today's session. I hope you like this session, and we will meet in the next session with a new concept of SQL. So till then, thank you for watching. Bye.